Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my financial future around in just 30 days. Let's see if I can make some real progress. Managing your personal finances effectively is crucial for securing a stable financial future. Think about it. Having control over your finances can reduce stress, increase savings, and give you peace of mind. It's essential to understand that taking charge of your financial health is a journey, not a one-time task. Many of us face common challenges when it comes to managing our finances. Debt, for instance, can be overwhelming. Credit card balances, student loans, and mortgages can add up quickly, making it difficult to make ends meet. Another challenge is the lack of savings. Without a cushion, unexpected expenses can lead to financial disaster. Poor budgeting habits also play a significant role in financial struggles. When we don't track our income and expenses, it's easy to overspend and accumulate debt. To manage your finances effectively, you need practical strategies. Budgeting techniques like the 50-30-20 rule can help you allocate your income wisely. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Saving tips. Like automating your savings can also make a big difference. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, you can ensure that you save regularly. Investment options like index funds or ETFs can help you grow your wealth over time. One powerful tool that can significantly change your financial outlook is compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. It's a game changer for savers and investors. For example, if you start saving 10,000 rupees per month at age 25, with an average annual return of 7%, you could have over 2.50 crores by the time you're 65. That's the power of compound interest. Another essential tool is an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved up can provide a safety net during unexpected events, such as job loss or medical emergencies. In summary, taking control of your financial future requires discipline, patience, and the right strategies. By understanding common challenges, implementing practical budgeting techniques, and leveraging powerful tools like compound interest and emergency funds, you can set yourself up for success. If you're interested in taking control of your finances, I encourage you to comment below with your financial goals. Please subscribe to the Grow with Indus channel for more practical personal finance content. We're here to help you transform financial knowledge into financial freedom. Please share this video with family and friends who are ready to master their money management.